Small bedrooms can feel cramped, but the right carpet can instantly transform the space. In 2026, carpets are not just functional. They define zones, add comfort, and make even the smallest rooms look luxurious. If your bedroom feels tight or unfinished, the right carpet is usually the missing piece. Don't miss this video. At the end, we'll reveal a special limited offer that can help you get your perfect small bedroom carpet at a discounted price. Soft, neutral carpets. Soft neutral shades like cream, beige, and light taupe work wonders in small bedrooms. They make the room feel airy, calm, and spacious, while complementing furniture and wall colors. If your bedroom feels crowded, switching to a light neutral carpet can instantly open it up. Plush carpets for maximum comfort. Thick, plush carpets add comfort and warmth. Walking on soft carpet in a small bedroom immediately elevates the experience and makes the space feel cozy. Even if your bedroom is compact, plush textures create a luxurious retreat. Low pile, easy to clean options. In Dubai, durability matters, especially in smaller bedrooms where carpets get more use. Low-pile carpets made from high-quality materials are easy to clean and maintain while still looking stylish. A practical carpet ensures your room stays tidy and inviting. Subtle patterns to add interest. Small bedrooms benefit from subtle geometric or abstract patterns. They create visual interest without overwhelming the space. Patterns can also make the room feel longer or wider, depending on placement. A well-chosen pattern can change the perception of your bedroom dimensions. Layering rugs for style. Layering a smaller patterned rug over a base carpet adds depth and designer appeal. It's perfect for renters or anyone who wants to switch styles seasonally without permanent changes. Layering makes even tiny spaces feel curated and high-end. Mid-video engagement, limited offer. Here's something exciting. Right now there's a special limited offer on small bedroom carpets. If you want to grab it, comment "sale" below and we'll send you the direct link to the site where the discount is active. This way, you get access to stylish, high-quality carpets for small bedrooms at a special price, without missing out. Earth-toned and nature-inspired carpets. Nature-inspired shades like soft browns, muted greens, and terracotta are trending in 2026. These colors add warmth and calmness, helping even a small bedroom feel grounded and inviting. Pair these carpets with natural wood furniture and soft linens for a balanced look. Sustainable and long-lasting carpets. Durable materials that hold their shape and resist wear are essential, especially in compact spaces. Investing in a quality carpet ensures that your bedroom remains stylish and functional for years. A carpet that lasts is always a smart investment. Rugs to define zones. Even in a small bedroom, carpets can define different zones, like sleeping area versus reading nook. This makes compact rooms feel organized, intentional, and visually larger. Proper carpet placement can completely transform a small space. Timeless designs over trendy. In small bedrooms, it's best to choose timeless designs, neutral tones, subtle patterns, and quality textures. Trendy or bold patterns can overwhelm, but timeless carpets grow with your style. The best interior investment is a carpet you won't want to replace every year. Small bedroom carpets in 2026 are all about balance, comfort, style, and practicality. With the right carpet, even the tiniest space can feel spacious, cozy, and luxurious. Don't forget, comment "sale" below to get the link for the limited offer. Upgrade your bedroom today and experience maximum comfort with a stylish carpet.